Hey there, gamers. Are you ready to take your mobile gaming experience to the next level? Today, we're going to dive into one of the most epic laptops on the market, the ASUS ROG Strix G16. I've had this beast for a while now, and trust me, it's been a wild ride. Let's start with the graphics card. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 is an absolute monster. It's built on the revolutionary NVIDIA Blackwell architecture and DLSS4, deep learning supersampling. That means you get insane frame rates and realistic ray-traced visuals for a commanding gaming experience. I mean, we're talking about a laptop that can handle the most demanding games at high refresh rates. It's like having a mini gaming PC in your backpack. But what does it all look like? Well, when you boot up this bad boy, you'll see a stunning 16-inch Full HD Plus display with a 165 Hz per 3 milliseconds refresh rate. That means you get silky smooth gameplay and crystal clear visuals, perfect for competitive esports or just playing your favorite games in high definition. The ACR film on the screen also helps reduce glare. So whether you're gaming at home or out and about, this display delivers crisp imagery every time. Now let's talk performance. The Intel Core i7-14650HX processor is a beast of its own. It's got 16 cores and 24 threads, which means it can handle multiple tasks at once without breaking a sweat. Plus, with up to a 5.2 GHz boost clock, this laptop can deliver lightning-fast speeds when you need them most. And with 64 GB of DDR5-5600 MHz RAM, you can multitask like a pro, whether that's playing games and working on documents at the same time. But heat management is also crucial for any high-performance laptop, right? That's where the advanced tri-fan cooling system comes in. This ASUS laptop incorporates an end-to-end vapor chamber, triple fan design, and Conductonaut Extreme liquid metal to keep things running smoothly even during extended gaming sessions. It's like having your own personal air conditioning system built right into the laptop. Now, I know what you're thinking, what about style? Well, let me tell you, this laptop is not just functional, it's also a head-turner. The 360-degree RGB light bar is customizable and syncs with our OG accessories, so you can really get creative with your lighting setup. And if you want to go stealthy, just enable stealth mode and turn off all the lights for a clean, professional appearance. In terms of storage, this laptop comes equipped with a massive 4TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD. That's a whole lot of space for your game collection or whatever else you need to store. And with Windows 11 Pro running smoothly under the hood, you can bet this laptop will keep up with even the most demanding tasks. So what's the verdict? The ASUS ROG Strix G16 is an absolute monster of a laptop that delivers incredible performance, stunning visuals, and style for days. If you're in the market for a new gaming rig on the go, I highly recommend checking this one out. It's definitely worth the investment.